Big congratulations to you if you are yet a Bybit user or you already have an account on Bybit. There is a good news. Take a look at this account here. This guy claimed $1,000 USDT position airdrop. This is another user here, and this is another user. How were they able to claim this USDT airdrop? Bybit understand that capital is one of the major challenge to every crypto trader or every beginner crypto trader. Because of that, they do host a particular limited campaign where there is an opportunity for new Bybit users to have access to up to $1,000 USDT airdrop, which they can use to trade, withdraw the profits. Now you may ask me, is that particular USDT airdrop withdrawable? No, it is not withdrawable. What Bybit does is that they give out this reward to newbie traders who recently joined Bybit, and they can use this particular USDT to trade, make money with it, withdraw the profit, but they can't withdraw that particular airdrop. Does that make sense? Now you may be asking, what of those that already have an account with Bybit? Don't worry, at the end of this video, I'm also going to be sharing with you how you can be able to qualify to be eligible to claim this reward for yourself too. But if you don't have any account on Bybit, if you literally don't have any account on Bybit, you need to follow these 5 simple steps. Make sure you follow these 5 simple steps, because number 4 is very, very crucial and important, because this is where a lot of people do mess things up and they fail to be eligible. For you to be eligible, watch this video to the very end. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get updates whenever I drop content like this. Without further ado, let's dive into it. The first step you need to take is to sign up with a campaign partnership link, which I'll be dropping in the description of this video. So when you click the partnership campaign link, I'll be dropping in the description of this video. So it will bring it up to this interface you're seeing right here. What you need to do is very simple. Input the Gmail you have never used before. I've never used that Gmail before to sign up on any Bybit or create any Bybit account, and input the password you can easily remember. All right, so make sure the referral code you are seeing there is 𝗬𝗍𝒁. In case you do not see any referral code there, make sure you just put the 𝗬𝗍𝒁 right there. For this, we qualify you to be eligible for this. Now afterwards, click on get my welcome gift, complete the puzzle, and go to your email to take the code they will be sending you there for completing the sign up. After this, what you need to do next is to head over to Play Store if you're using an Android, or iOS if you're using an iPhone, to download Bybit. So after heading there to download Bybit, use the same details you used to sign up here, but use the same details you need to sign up to log in, which is pretty simple. So when you come over here, use the same details to log in. You log in. I'm going to log in right now to proceed. I've successfully logged in this account. So the second step you need to follow here is to verify this account, this newly created account. Verify it, and you can literally use any means of identification to verify your account. Just click on security, and once you click on security, you are going to see account security level very low, which means you are not yet fully registered. What you need to do is to verify your account. You see this area they write unverified ID. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, this verify now will appear. You click verify now. So you can use any means of ID to verify your account. Just you have to accept the condition, and if your country is from Nigeria, you click Nigeria there. If your country is from Ghana or any part of the other country you are currently, you can just fill it there and click confirm. Afterwards, you can now use any means of ID. It could be driver's license, NIN, any means of ID, could be international passport, to actually use to verify your account. As you can see them here, right? There are BVN, ID card, driver's license, passport, residential permit. You can use any of these to verify your account, and the basic verification is just you are good to go, right? That's number 2 steps. The number 3 step here is for you to fund your account. For you to be eligible for this airdrop, you need to fund your account with at least a minimum of $100 and above. Now you may ask, this money I'm funding, is it safe? Does it mean that Bybit will have access to it? No, it is completely 100% safe. This money you are funding is just for you to validate this airdrop. Okay, Bybit, we actually know that you are now a full-time user, and they will use it to validate this airdrop, so they will credit you this airdrop. All right, this money you can actually withdraw it after you must have gotten this airdrop. You can actually withdraw it anytime, any day, and you can either use it to trade and do whatever you want. This is your money. You can do whatever you want to do with it. And that is number 3 step. In case you don't know how to fund your account, I made a simplified video on how to do that through P2P. Just check this link here, check this video here to actually watch how to fund your Bybit account from A to Z. It is actually a beginner friendly video. That is the step number 3. Now the step number 4, which is very, very important and crucial, because this is where a lot of people do mess things up and they fail to be eligible. So make sure you stick to the end and follow these steps. Step number 4 is that you need to trade at least $1,000. You need to trade at least $1,000 trading volume for you to be eligible for this. It's not as if after funding your account, you now go ahead to withdraw your money. No, after funding your account, you need to make a trade. After that trade you made, we actually notify Bybit, oh, this person is now a fully verified user, not just signing up, funding up, but you actually traded on Bybit. For that, you will now be eligible for this airdrop. Now, in case you may be asking, but I don't know how to trade, I'm just a beginner, or my strategy is not working for me, and this is where I will come in for the help. Because I have a community, a crypto trading community, where I provide 2 signals every single day. Now you can use these signals to trade, place a trade, you manage your risk, because I do discuss and guide my followers there on how to manage their risk and trade and make profit from the market. Just in case you want to join this community, I will leave the link in the description of this video to join the community. So make sure you check the link in the description of this video to join the community, because I'll practically guide you on how to manage your risk. Definitely, you are not going to use the whole of the $100 you funded. So you are just going to use just 1 or 10% of it. And once you place a single trade, that means that trade ends in profit. That means you have already achieved $1,000 trading volume, which is pretty simple and easy to achieve. Right? It's very simple. That is rule number 4. Now the rule number 5, which is the last rule here, is basically for you to go to your reward hub to claim your $1,000 position USDT. Remember, for you to be eligible to claim this after passing all the 4 rules, you don't just deposit and withdraw your money immediately. No, you need to actually leave your capital, that initial deposit, you need to actually leave it for at least 72 hours for you to be eligible to claim this airdrop. Don't just deposit and the next hour and the next minute you now decide to withdraw. And again, there are other options for you to deposit. You can deposit through a crypto exchange, or you can deposit through P2P. Just in case you don't know how, make sure you check this video right here to know how to actually fund your account. This is basically the simple 5 steps for you to take to claim your $1,000 USDT position airdrop. Pretty simple, right? And I hope you find it valuable and something that you can venture into. Hence, you are now a new Bybit user. Now, you may be asking, what of those that already have an account on Bybit? Which is very, very important. What you need to do is very simple. You need to follow these 2 steps. You need to follow these 3 simple steps for you to be eligible if you're already an existing user. First step is to do what we call identity transfer. Identity transfer is basically where you sign up entirely using another new Gmail, like the Gmail you have not used to sign up on Bybit before. After that, you now do identity transfer identity from your old account to the new account. Just in case you don't know how to do that, check this video here, check this video here. I specifically made a video on how to do identity transfer from scratch, so you can check the video there. Second step is very simple. Trade $100,000 trading volume. Once your trade is up to $100,000 trading volume, you are eligible to claim this airdrop. Will be airdrop this free USDT in your account or through the reward center. So to trade $100,000 USDT may seem so huge to you, but it's not that huge. What you need to do is to trade consistently every single day until it gets up to $100,000 in trading volume. Now, if you don't know anything or how to go about it when it comes to trading, or maybe you are falling short of your own strategy, we are not really making that much, would have been skeptical on how to get that $100,000 in trading volume, make sure you check the link in the description of this video to join my community where I drop signals and where you can make profit and reach that $100,000 trading volume, and you can be able to claim this airdrop. The last but not the least is just for you to head over to your reward center and claim your reward. Remember, the only thing that can make you not to be eligible for this airdrop is when you use the same phone you used to create your account, because the IP will actually detect on Bybit. So when you use the same phone to actually create a new Bybit account, or you already use email that you already used to create Bybit account, this is when you will not be eligible to claim this airdrop. But hence you follow these steps, you'll be eligible for that. And if you claim this airdrop, make sure you let me know in the comment section. I hope this video is going to help you to the point of claiming your first airdrop on Bybit and can use it to trade and make money for yourself. If this video is very helpful to you, make sure you hit the like button, share this video, like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next video.